Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 11th, 2023. We're going to talk about Tesla today, give you all another update in the price action in Tesla, because I did a video right here on April the 3rd, right? April the 3rd was the last video which we produced on this channel for Tesla stock. Now, we was looking for the price to continue to maintain its upward movement, and that hasn't been the case. So I was wondering, what could possibly be the reason as to why we just completely saw price collapse? Because prior to April the 3rd, right here on the 31st of March, was a definite indication that price wanted to go up. What's the reason? Is it because Tesla is cutting the price of all of their EV vehicles? Look at this. Look at all of the articles, videos being produced about Tesla cutting the prices of their EV vehicles. Tesla cuts prices on all models. Third cut this year. Look at USA Today. Tesla cuts prices again as it seeks to boost demand. What, nobody wants to buy Teslas no more? Look at all the videos that's being produced. Yahoo Finance, CNBC. Tesla stock drops following additional price cut. Tesla pricing saga isn't over. The EV maker stock is getting pummeled. Really? Is this the reason why the market is going down in Tesla? Of course not. The reason why the price action in Tesla is going down is because we've already talked about it previously in our videos. We already saw where sellers were positioned in Tesla. Right there at 210. We talked about it. We explained it to you all. That's the reason why the price in Tesla stock is going down. Not because the price is getting cut in their vehicles. Now, let's talk about it. Because when you see things that's not going your original idea, you need to come back and change it. Something is wrong. That's what we're going to do today. Because you guys can see it. That we've identified how price in Tesla was trending, right? It was trending up. Sad to say, it's not trending up no more. We actually see price now in Tesla breaking our trend line. That's a negative thing. If you're bullish in the market in Tesla, that's a negative thing. You should not be wanting to see price break a trend. Well, it's broken. So we need to rethink our analysis. First thing we're going to do is get that trend line out the way. It's because now we can see price in Tesla, instead of it trending up, the last 5 trading days it's been trending down. Now, even though we're not trending into the market in Tesla, we still have an area of support that we're identifying to see buyers. I will have to let this price prediction go in Tesla when I see price break 170 to the downside. So we're going to look at a couple of different time frames, because if I still see weakness here, then yes, I may just cut it right now and say, look, rather than me running the risk of losing 13 3/4, I could get out the market now and only lose 6.5%, right? So let's look at this on the 2-day chart. Do you see any indications on the price chart since our last video on April the 3rd that would tell you that price is still strong? Anything? This current 2-day price bar, we still have 9 hours left, so we cannot be dependent on what we see right now. Here it is on the 3-day chart. What do you think? What about on the 5-day? Yeah, the 5-day chart tells me that price, looking at this 5-day price bar right here, is pretty weak. It's pretty weak. I don't like seeing that, especially with the idea that Tesla was forecast to go higher. For us to see this 5-day price bar inked on the price chart, it's not a good sign. Let's look at Tesla on the weekly. Okay. Fantastic 3 weeks right here. We saw the market in Tesla go up 3 consecutive weeks, and now we saw price come down in 1. Literally almost erased all of the work it took the market to bring price up. All of that has dwindled in 1 week. And again, look at this 2-day chart. 2 weekly price bar right there. It doesn't look good neither. It looks pretty much identical to the 5-day chart. That weakness right there. Look at Tesla on the 5 weeks. 3 weeks, monthly time frame. Okay. So, what do you think? You suspect price in Tesla is going to continue to go lower? Do you think price in Tesla is going to continue to trade sideways and go higher as what we're anticipating? What should we do? So I'm going to do this. My idea is going to be maintained into the market in Tesla as long as we see the market hold 170. Now, I'm telling you this now, that price is weak, especially on the 5-day chart, and then again on the 2 weeks. Okay, it's weak. I admit the price is currently going against my idea, but I'm going to wait because I want us to see whether or not the buyers are going to approach the market in Tesla at 170, because if so, then it tells us that we live to see another day of Tesla going higher. So let me do this. I'm going to extend the price prediction in Tesla, and we're going to see whether or not the buyers are going to approach 170. And I will tell you this too. Let's say that the market in Tesla does in fact hits this 170 and buyers come in, we may have to reduce our ultimate TP price down to like 205 rather than seeing it hit that 220 area. Okay. So I'm just telling you that right now. We may have to lower our prediction, especially if we see the market come down to this 170. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.